Hello, how are you doing? I recently received an email from an Android user asking how to display models other than GFS. For instance, an oceanic model, like a wave model or a current model. So I am going to show how to do that in this video. I'm going to go from scratch. We're going to create a zone and then add the models to it. So this is the North America zone, and let's pretend that I want to create a New York zone. That's where I'm going to navigate very soon. So I'm going to tap on the upper left corner of the screen, and here I have a list of zones, and at the bottom I can add a new zone. I'm going to tap on there, and I'm going to give a name to that zone. I'm going to call it New York. Now I'm going to select the area by tapping on the first pen on the right here. Let's move with a finger and zoom a little bit, and I can, by tapping on this square here, my zone appears. I can reduce it a little bit if I want to. There we go, and then to hit OK, I tap on the upper right corner. So that's the interesting part now, picking a model, or several models I should say, for that zone. I'm going to pick GFS. If I tap on the left here, I'm going to have information about the model. Okay? And I can do that for each model. I'm going to pick NAM, which also is an American weather model. And I'm going to pick also a couple of oceanic models, namely the FNMOC WW3 Global model, which is a wave model, and the MyOcean Global HR model, which is a current model. When I am done, I tap again on the right upper screen, and I tap a second time. Now my grid files are being downloaded. My wave file, and finally my current files. Okay, so here if I tap on the drop down list in the center, I see that I have at the top navigation data if I am in navigation only, but then below that I can see the 4 models I have selected. So GFS, okay, and now if I want something a bit more higher resolution, you see I can take NAM. Now if I want to see the wave model, I can see that in that area with the free target, I can drag, and I have big waves here, and here the waves are not that big. Okay, the last thing I can visualize are the currents, and interestingly I have not much current here, but if I drag my target here, I have almost 4 knots of current. That's interesting information to be aware of, Okay, so this is how you can display different kind of models in a zone. Thanks for watching.